Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sign in with your school account and open OneNote online to start. Create a class notebook from the Class Notebook tool and choose a clear name. Select default sections such as Content Library, Collaboration Space, and Student Notebooks before proceeding. Choose whether students get individual notebooks or shared sections for group work. Install the OneNote app on Windows and Mac and verify sync settings. Confirm all students can access the notebook with their school credentials before the first lesson. Create standard sections such as lessons, homework, and assessments for every class. Build pages and subpages to separate warm-up, instruction, and practice activities. Use consistent naming conventions so students find materials quickly and reliably. Add templates like lesson outlines or rubrics to enforce consistent formatting across pages. Distribute pages to individual student notebooks for in-class work and collect submissions through the assignments feature. Use tags to mark. Integrate OneNote with Teams and Forms to streamline assignment distribution and quiz collection. Attach Forms quizzes to pages so results flow back into student notebooks automatically. Use immersive reader and dictation features to support diverse learners during lessons. Export important pages or the whole notebook as PDF for archiving and parent communication. Enable automatic sync and backup notebooks to OneDrive to protect work from accidental loss. Establish a simple backup routine and teach students to sync regularly before submitting work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.